Hello and welcome to the wonderful world of binary options trading. This is Chris Conundro coming at you from Striker9 land. This is the Striker9 options trading system full version. Now, we've made a video, may look a little similar to this, with the light version. The light version is trading 1 hour a day. This is trading the 5 hours of the stock market. Okay, now, is this just the stock market? No, absolutely not. This can be applied to commodities. This can be applied to the various futures, the indices. Okay, it can be applied to various stocks in various countries. Okay, and it can be applied to forex. Okay, forex currencies. All right, so this system can be traded on that. Okay. Now, we just picked one stock for an example of the system track record, okay, because it's very simple. It's very simple to follow, and we don't want to make a big mess, okay, and get too complicated. We're just going to look at Apple Computer, okay, because you know how popular Apple Computer is these days. So, what we are looking at is a tremendous, ridiculous trading system that on one stock on $500 per trade, okay, has been averaging $24,975 a month. Okay, now binary options is new. I mean, technically we could go back years and years, but you know it doesn't matter. Okay, with this type of trading. Okay, we don't have to. We just showed you the. We're going to show you the last couple months of trading results, the system results, and you know that once you obtain the system, you'll be able to verify every single trade, and that's important because once you get the system, you'll be able to go back over Apple Computer, okay, and look back up each trade and see that this is the real deal. What we're showing you is exactly the system. Okay, the same system you are going to have in a few minutes. Okay, so if you purchase it, of course. But binary options. If you have no idea what binary options are, okay, binary options are simply an option, okay, that expires with a fixed return. Okay, all options expire at some point. Okay, that's what makes an option. So what's become very popular these days are binary options that expire within an hour. Okay, now there are even binary options that expire every half an hour or 15 minutes. Okay, an hour is just great to make, and the thing is, it's a fixed rate of return. These are also called fixed rate of return options, or FROs, okay? And so these fixed rate of return options can give you 75%, up to 75% of the return per the expiration period. So in 15 minutes, you can make a 75% return just by picking the right direction of the close, okay, of the expiration. Simple. So in a certain way, this forces us to start thinking in a better way, and it just forces us to start thinking of the end result. Now, the great thing about this is binary options is good for your regular trading and your regular vanilla options trading. Why? Because if you don't think ahead, okay, and know your exit and before your entry, if you don't plan out your exit, your strategy according to your exit, then you're in binary options. You can't get out. Okay, once you get in, it's done. So this forces your thinking. It's kind of like Warren Buffett says. He says, I remember watching a video some time ago. He says you need to imagine that you only have 20 stock picks in your lifetime. Okay, and every stock pick is very valuable. And so, in that case, you need to think of the future and the real solid possibility and probability of that stock making you a fortune. Okay, and in a similar mindset, you need to focus towards the future and see what kind of opportunity you're about to get into. So this types of thinking starts getting us to think well, and this is going to help us tremendously in our regular trading. But this binary options trading is an incredible opportunity as it is. Okay, so we here we're going to buy calls or buy puts. Bam, we pick our position size. Done. It takes less than 3 minutes to open up an account, folks. Usual trading account, binary option accounts, regular options account, vanilla options accounts takes, days, even weeks, okay, especially if you have an entity you're using, like an LLC or a C Corp, okay? This is going to take under, a couple minutes, and you have an account, and you can fund it right away with a credit card, PayPal, okay? It's awesome. All right, so and this flexibility is just due to the various opportunities around the world. So now let's get over here to the system. See, the thing is, in trading binary options, the last thing you want to do is trade by feel. Okay, if you trade by feel, you will get sucked in, and if you get sucked in, you could enter the black hole trading spiral of death. Okay, and what is that? That's kind of like the compulsive gambler's demise. Okay, you have to win, you have to make it back, and you start you're trading, picking your directions based on emotions. Your money management is now based on emotions. So in anything emotional in trading is wrong. Okay, it's going to go wrong. It's going to go bad. It's going to be 99% wrong. Okay, it's just how it is. So that will cause you to crash your account and burn it and trash it quickly. Okay, you don't want to do that. So you want to learn to trade correctly, and we're going to show you how to trade professionally binary options. Some people are already thinking this is a gimmick. Okay, but it's not. It's very serious. The CBOE, Chicago Board Options Exchange, has recently rolled out their binary options products. Very legitimate. The concept's been around a while. It just hasn't caught on, but now it has. Okay, especially trading hourly options. This is basically options day trading, and the opportunity is ridiculous. And the opportunity is now. You have to jump on it now because you don't know. Okay, especially with guys like me figuring out these types of systems, what's going to happen to the industry. Okay, so anyways, I'm only going to sell a limited number of copies because I can't have 1,000 people across the world trading this. I'm doing this because I don't know why. I trade plenty. Actually, I trade tons, and so I like doing other creative things. It's kind of a release. But here's a system I developed. I just keep developing these systems, and this is a really good one. And you'll learn, I don't know, probably I'll sell 20 of these things, folks. I just can't have this go. And you need to protect this too, okay? Don't be letting, every one of these morons on the torrent sites get a hold of this, or else you're just shooting yourself in the foot. I mean, it's so dumb. People think, give away these informations and they don't use it. Unbelievable. If you can't do this, then I don't know. This is super simple, okay? If you can't do this, then, there may be, I hate to say anything bad, but you should be able to do this, okay? It's very easy. So here's the chart, pardon the little missing things there, but, and here are the results, the system results. Striker9 full version. The full version is not the same as the light version. It is a little bit different, the system rules, okay? So understand that. You can't just take the small one and apply it. It won't work. You have to take this one. So here we are, and we're going through here. Okay, and you'll see you do a bunch of trades in a day. Okay, but they're exact to entry code. Okay, and the monthly average 24,975 a month. Okay.